Inside of me, I was all mixed up. I was sad and excited at the same time. But mostly, I was afraid.
Say, Arnie, how about some peanuts?
Thanks.
Yeah. One, two, three, four.
What are you counting?
Oh, hey, yeah, it's a little trick of mine. When I'm feeling kinda low down, gloomy as a broken-hearted clown, there's a little thing I like to do, makes me feel happy, almost good as new.
Whack-a-boola, walla, walla, humpa, lumpa, rumpa, doo. Whack-a-boola, walla, walla.
So when I'm feeling kinda low, I start to count things nice and slow. But counting to 1,000,000 seems like a sin. I'm kinda lazy. I just count to 10. Count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're nearly up to 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I feel better again. I can't count all the lies that have ever been told, or count all the toes that have ever been cold. Can't count all the bubbles in a rumbling brook. Won't even try, it's too much work. Can't count all the sand that lies on a beach, or all the fuzz on the skin of a peach. I know I could do it if I wanted to, but counting up to 10, that's what I'll do. Everybody count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're nearly up to 10. 6, 7, 8,